This is the bicycle repair stand I made. It's called an L-type or L-style of bicycle repair stand because it's letter L, L-type. Now, all my bicycles except one fit here. My mountain bike, my racing bike, and my mini velo, they all fit here. But my BMX, it doesn't want to fit here, so I have to have another hook somewhere there to fit the seat stay of my or the chain stay of my BMX bike. So your first alternative would be to weld another hook here, but that would be permanent. What I want now is an adjustable hook, so I can make the distance farther or nearer each other, so that your extra hook would be adjustable. All you have to do is get a rebar or metal bar of the same size and then bend it, and then just attach it this way to your stem. So just tie it with the wire here, twist the wire there so that it will stay in place. Now if you cannot locate scrap rebar, you can make use of an ordinary nail. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 inches long. The problem is you cannot buy just one piece. You have to buy about 1 kilo or 1/4 kilo in the hardware store, so you'll have an excess of plenty of nails. So I can just cut the head and the pointed tip and then bend it into a hook and then attach it this way. So what I did was to go to the hardware and find an alternative to still bending a metal rod this way. So one alternative is to weld the hook here, weld it here on a flat bar, drill holes there, and then so that you can attach this to the stem, make another flat bar with holes so that you can place the stem in between and then just use nuts and bolts to attach this extra hook to your L-type bicycle repair stand. So this design will allow you to move the extra hook up and down by just loosening and then tightening the nuts and bolts here. Now there's a ready-made hook I found in the hardware store, so I think this will serve the purpose. So I'll just attach it by wire to the position I want, and then if I want to adjust the distance, I can just determine where to place it and then attach it by means of wires. So it's about the same size. So you're not limited to finding another round bar. You can use flat bars like this one and bend it into shape. If you don't want to buy this and you have extra brackets, then just bend this like so and then attach it here on your stem. So you bend your bracket to a hook and then just follow the same principle. Now if you don't have any bracket, you can get a piece of metal bar, just cut it here with your angle grinder, and then bend it into shape, so you'll have a hook like this. This is from an ordinary U-bar, and just cut it here and then make a hook. So I decided to place the additional hook here by means of wire. It's now sturdy. I placed the rubber hose to protect the paint of my bike. So I had to place an additional hook here because the original distance of the hooks I welded is too big for my BMX bike, because the chainstay of my BMX bike is only small. So I had to place an additional hook here, or instead of placing it here, I decided to place it here. Anyway, the chainstays of my other bikes fit here, so this will not be a hindrance. So my BMX bike now fits perfectly on this L-type repair stand. So that's how to add hooks to your L-type bicycle repair stand, in case you need an extra hook. You don't have to weld it, you just attach it by means of wires. So that's it. Okay, time for coffee. Oh yeah.